fear of death creates that entanglement. So though entanglement, conflict, drama, fear is there in you, isn't it? It's there. So don't be gullible by just having the idea and pretending you are free. When you're pretending, your awareness is aware of you pretending, because your awareness in you knows every perception and action that comes out of you. So you cannot hide, you cannot run away from your own awareness. So when you say, I am that, I don't need to look, take a moment and is that true? That I don't need to look? If you are having that perception and then stop looking, your ego is so strong that ego just create another illusion for you, and you're just resting in that bubble. To break the bubble, you really need to reflect. And the simple reflection is just by asking yourself, there's no fear in my life, there's no conflict in my life, there's no drama. When you stop looking for the absolute truth, when we stop looking to come to face with the truth, we are denying our suffering, we're denying our pain, struggle. And denial is the way to continue suffering. Looking is to overcome suffering. Looking in the right direction is to overcome the struggle, pain. So, now you can reorient yourself and do the actual work. In the past, you have failed to figure out the truth. In the past, you have been distracted by your own ego. In the past, you were lured by the world.